to the CNN newsroom. This just in. Civilian exclusion order has just been passed by the Western Defense Command and 4th Army Wartime Civil Control Administration. These instructions are to all persons of Japanese ancestry in the following areas: all that portion of the city and country of San Francisco, state of California, lying generally west of the north-south line and lying generally north of the east-west line. All Japanese persons, both alien and non-alien, will be evacuated from the above designated area by 12 o'clock noon, Tuesday, April 7th, 1942. That's today. No Japanese person will be permitted to enter or leave the above described area without obtaining a special permission from the Provost Marshal and the Civil Control Station located in San Francisco, California. The Civil Control Station is equipped to assist the Japanese population affected by this evacuation in the following ways. Number 1, give advice and instructions on the evacuation. Number 2, provide services with respect to the management, leasing, sale, storage, or other disposition of most kinds of property, including real estate, business, and professional equipment, buildings, household goods, boats, automobiles, and livestock, etc. Number 3, they will provide temporary residence elsewhere for all Japanese in family groups. Number 4, transport persons and a limited amount of clothing or equipment to the new residence as applied below. Have a nice day.